Hey guys! A few months ago I bought my first motorcycle, Royal Enfield Meteor 350. I am very beginner driver, but I want to do everything with my motorcycle by myself, so today I will change oil. First time in my life. It will be fun. To change oil we need oil, 1.7 liters. I have a little bit more, I have 4 liters. We need filter. It's very important to buy good oil. We need gloves. This thing, I don't know how it's called, but you see it. Plastic bowl, tools, and paper towel. And if you don't have tools, you have it here. If you want to change oil, your bike must be cold. So don't do this after 2 hours if you're riding on it. Start with putting your bike on central stand. Turn on engine. Do this for 10 seconds. Leave it for 15 seconds. Turn off the engine and we have to wait 2 minutes. Now we open this little bit. And now we have to remove this plate. And we remove this thing. I will keep it, I will wash it and use it again. When the all oil is out, we will change filter. I removed old filter and I can throw it away because I don't need it. I have new filter. Now we put this metal cap. Now I need to put this oil screen to its place. Okay. Now I have to put new oil to my motorcycle, so I remove this thing. And this is very important, this must be very clean. You don't want to something get to your engine, because your motorcycle can die. This is very important. Here you have 2 points, minimum and maximum level of oil. And it's very, very important. Do not put too much oil to your motorcycle. It must be here, to this maximum level. I do this very slowly to make it right. I don't want to put too much oil on my motorcycle. Okay, it's full. It was really very easy. If I can do this, you can do this too. Guys, it was super easy. if I can do this, you can do this too. I hope you like it. Please write in comments. Maybe you want to see something more, how I fixing my car or something. And please remember to hit subscribe button. Mwah!